special segment titled Level Up and to Lead It. We are thrilled to welcome an inspiring trainer, leader, and motivator, Ms. Usha R. Purnima ma'am. She is certified soft skill and corporate trainer and the founder and CEO of 3E. With rich experience and academic head corporate specialist and now a passionate entrepreneur, she has empowered thousands through her impactful sessions. Her expertise spans across communication, leadership, grooming, and team building, and her unique approach makes learning engaging and transformational. She's been recognized with titles Best Motivational Speaker, Women of the Future Award, and Outstanding Trainer. So, dear participants, get ready for an energetic and insightful session. Let's all welcome Ms. Usha R. Purnima ma'am with a big round of virtual applause. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Rasia.
Thank you,
So, hi
ma'am.
everyone. Good evening. I could see only Ritfan turning on his video. Hi, Ritfan. How about others? Yes, Manha. Hello. Yes, let me give a countdown. 10, 9. I want you all to turn on your videos. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you, Maisha, Ritfan, Razan, Manha. Thank you so much. Please keep your videos on for some time. I would love to meet you all virtually. Will you? Will you to keep your videos on? Yes? Yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So how are you all?
Fine.
Fine. You can turn on your audio and you can speak, okay? So today, for the next few minutes, I'm going to spend time with you. So I want you all to completely focus on the session. I will not be giving any boring lectures or advice or something like that. I'm going to share something very much important that will be really helpful for you all. Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Yes? Who is that little one with the yellow t-shirt? What is your name?
Mire Ahmed.
What? What is that?
Mire Ahmed.
Ahmad. Okay. Hi. Okay, my dear friends. I'll call you
Yes.
friends. Can I
Yes.
address you as friends? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, how many of you are so happy now? How many of you are happy? Did your parents force you to attend this camp or you yourself joined this camp? Are you okay? How many of you are happy? Can I have some smileys on the screen if you are happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Can I have some hearts or can I have some celebrations showing that you're happy? Okay, Razan is happy, Ritfan is happy, Ahmad is happy, Maisha is happy. Manha, what about you? Happy?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, my dears. How many of you want to be successful in your life? Do you want to be successful in your life?
Yes.
Yes? Yes?
Yes.
What is successful? What will happen if you're successful? What all will you have and what will make you successful? Ritfan, why are you crying, Ritfan? What will make you successful? You're thinking? You're thinking?
When?
Okay, I'll tell you. See, all the people in the world who are successful now, be it your mother, your father, your teachers, and all the entrepreneurs you see, doctors, engineers, These people, whoever are successful, they all have one thing in common. You know what it is? You know what it is? Any guess? All the successful people in this world, your mother, your father. What is
Work.
that? What is that?
Work.
What?
Work.
Work. They all work. Okay, they all work. Yes, that is right. But why are they working? Why are they working? How many of you like football?
Brother.
How many of you like football? You like football? You like football? What is most important in the game called football? What is important in football? To play the game, what is all important? What all do you need to play the game?
Team. Team.
We need a team. Very good, Ahmed. Then, Manha, what do we need?
Football.
We need a ball. Okay, then
We need
we need players. Okay. We need a ground or a turf.
a ball catcher.
We need a ball catcher. Okay, then.
We need goal.
Very good. We need a goal post, right? We need a goal
Yeah.
post. Yes. If the goal post is not there, what will happen? Everybody will be having that ball and they will be running around simply. Yes. Only when
Yes.
there is a goal post, they will be aiming to pitch the ball there. Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
So, like this, all the successful people in this world, be it your mother, your father, all the people you see around you, they all have one thing in common, that is a goal in their life. What is that? They have a
Goal.
goal. What is a goal? What is goal? Have you heard the word goal? Have you heard this word goal?
Yes.
What is goal? Shall I tell you? Shall I?
Yes.
See, if I want to become something, if I want to do something, if I want to learn something, that is my goal. If I say I want to become a doctor, that is my goal. If I say I want to learn how to ride a car, that is a goal. If I say I want to take a session in in-depth learning, that is a goal, right? When I want to do something, when I want to become something, or when I want to learn something, that is my goal. Clear?
Yes.
Clear? Okay. Now, I want each one of you to tell me what is your goal. Do you have a goal? Do you want to become a something? Do you want to do something? Do you want to learn something?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Manha, what is your goal?
To be a doctor.
To be a doctor. Okay. So to be a doctor, like maybe how old are you now?
9.5.
You're 9.5. Okay. So it is going to take some time for you to achieve your goal. Okay. What is something that you want to learn or something you want to do now? A goal that you have. Okay. Now this, I'm 9.5. Before my next birthday, I have to learn this. Before my next birthday, I want to do this. Like that, do you have any goal? No, no. Razan, do you have any goal like that?
So,
No, you don't have. Okay. Hamma, Butaina, do you have any goal like that? Do you want to do something? Do you want to become something? No? No. Okay, where is Reem? Reem has turned off her video. Okay, we have Razia, sorry, we have Manzoor Ahmad, we have Alimat, right? Alimat, we have Alimat. How about you people? Do you have any goal in your life? No, right? You don't have a goal as of now. Hi, Nafla. Smile. Turn on your audio. I couldn't hear you. Hi.
Hi.
Do you have any goal, Nafla? Do you want to do something? Do you want to become something? No. Okay. How many days do you have holidays? Now it's your holiday time, right? How many days do you have holidays? 1 month? How many days?
2 months.
2 months. Okay. In this 2 months, what do you want to do? Just sleep, eat, watch TV, enjoy. What do you want to do in this 2 months? I'll tell you. First of all, I have to congratulate all of you. A big applause to all of you. You know why? Because there are your friends who are enjoying their holidays, going on a trip, watching movies, watching TV, playing. But you people, you're spending daily, you're spending some time, no, in this camp. Because of this, by the end of this camp, you will learn something new, which your friends wouldn't have, right? You all are spending some time and you're learning something, and you will become knowledgeable in that, and your friends will not have this knowledge because they are not doing all these things. Maybe your parents would have asked you to take part in this camp, right? Was it your parents who asked you to take part in this camp?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes. So why did they tell you? You have 2 months and just 1 hour you're going to spend for this camp. By doing that, you're going to meet many new friends. You're going to learn something new. So that is the reason they have enrolled you in this camp. Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it, or is it boring?
Yes.
Enjoying?
Yes.
Enjoying? Okay, very good, very good, very good. So, when I was speaking about goal, so every one of us in our life should have a goal to learn something, to do something. Only when we have a goal, we will be able to achieve something in our life. Yes, you said you want to be a doctor, somebody would like to be a football player. There could be like big, big goals. But as children, you should have some little goals also. Like by this 2 months, I will learn something. I will improve my handwriting. I will learn a new language. I will learn pencil sketching, something like that, something you would like to learn that can be a little goal for you. So when you have such goals in your life, you become better. You become better than others. Got it? Got it? Okay, so
Yeah.
let me tell you one more thing. First thing, I want you all to tell me what is the goal you're going to set for these 2 months. By the end of 2 months, what do you want to get? What do you want to study, or what do you want to achieve? Can you tell me? Manha, what do you want to learn in these 2 months?
New things.
New things. What new things?
Improving my handwriting.
Improve your handwriting. Very good girl. Okay, Nafla, what do you want to do? You wanted a drawing? Drawing?
Yes.
Drawing. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Here is a hat for Nafla. Okay, what does Ridfan wants to do? Ridfan, unmute Ridfan.
To,
What? You're not audible. You are on mute.
to improve my words.
You to improve your words. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, Razan, what do you want to do?
To improve painting.
To improve painting. Wow, superb, superb. Butaina, what do you want to do?
Painting.
Painting. Oh, that's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Nafla, Nafla. Okay, Nafla has answered, right? Where is the other person? Alimat. Alimat.
No.
Where are others? Where is Omar? What do you want to do? I'm so happy that four of you have turned on your videos. See, my dear children, you may get vacations like this. Okay, now you may be in your fourth grade or fifth grade. You may get vacations like this where nobody is going to ask you to do anything. But this is a time for you to learn something that you like. It could be like, as Rida Ritfan said, it could be like new words, or like Nafla said, it could be drawing, or like Manha said, it could be improving the handwriting. It could be anything. And Ryan, hi, what do you want to do in these 2 months? What is the little goal that you have?
I want to study
You want to
football,
study. Very good boy. What do you want to study?
study about sport and play football outside
Ah,
with my
study about
friends.
and play football outside. So this is the time. So this he can use this time to become a better football player. So nice to see you all have little goals. See, my dear children, in life, when somebody asks you what do you want to become, you may say, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a football player, I want to become a businessman. That is all good. But whenever you get time, you have to set some little goals for you. Only when you have a goal in your life will be really happy. You will be achieving something. Have you heard about this GPS? What is GPS? GPS? What is GPS, Ryan?
Global positioning system.
What do we use this GPS for? Parayu, Ryan. Unmute.
In car, we have GPS.
In car, we have GPS. In mobile, do we have GPS?
Yes.
Yes. So, what does it help us to? It will show us directions,
For
right? When
the
we are going
person.
somewhere, it will show us the right direction, how to go, where to go. It will show us the direction. So, I am going to give you a GPS now. Shall I give you a GPS? You want a GPS? A GPS to achieve great things in your life. Do you want Nafla? Should I tell what is GPS? Yes? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I'll tell you. See, GPS. What is the letter? G P. Yes.
Yes.
G is for goal. G is for
Go.
goal. So, every one of you, you should set a small goal for this vacation. This 2 months, this is my goal. I have to achieve it. You have to set a goal. That is G. Then next is P. P stands for plan. What is that? Plan. Plan, Plan, plan. So the next is plan. First, you have to set a goal. Next, you have to plan how to achieve. If Manha wants to improve her handwriting, Manha has to plan. Daily, I will write 1 page. Correct. If Nafla has to learn drawing, Nafla has to daily spend some time to practice drawing. If Ryan has to become a football player, Ryan has to find time daily, whether it is morning or evening, where you will go, with whom you will play, how you are going to learn football. All these things you have to plan. If Razan wants to improve his drawing or painting, he also has to think, okay, should I join a class or should I watch YouTube videos and should I draw? The same way with Butaina. If she wants to improve her painting, she has to plan how to do it. So, my dear friends, In life, the first thing you need to be successful is a goal. It should be little goals you have to set in life. And the second is you have to have a proper plan to achieve it. What is G? Can you repeat? G is
Goal.
goal. What is P?
Plan.
Plan. Very good. So G is goal, P is plan, and next, the most important thing, G, P, yes. Yes stands for start. What is that? Start. So you shouldn't be just telling, I want to improve my handwriting, I want to learn drawing, I want to do painting. You have to start doing it. Only when you start doing it, you will make mistakes and learn. How many of you here ride cycle? Do you have a bicycle at home? Do you have
Yes.
a bicycle? How many of you, raise your hand? How many of you have a bicycle? Ah, very good. Okay. So, when you started riding the bicycle, did any one of you fall down?
Yes.
Yes, you fell down.
Sometimes.
Ah, sometimes. Now, are you able to drive it properly? Are you able to ride it properly?
Yes.
Yes. So, like that, when you are trying some new things in life, there can be failures. You may fall down, it may hurt you, the result may not come as expected, but you have to keep trying. What you have to do?
Keep-
You have to keep
trying.
trying. You have to keep trying. So, in life, if you want to be successful, you should have a G, P, yes. What is that? G, P, yes. G stands for
Goal.
P stands for
Plan.
plan, and S stands for
Start.
S stands for start. So if you have a proper goal, if you plan properly, and if you start immediately, you can achieve whatever you wish. For example, if I want to get good marks, I'm scoring very low marks in this subject. I want to score good marks. If you think like that, you have to start studying. Daily, you have to spend some 5 to 10 minutes for that. If you are going to sit before the day of exam, you will feel very bored, you will feel very scared and nervous. So if you want to achieve something in your life, daily you have to spend some time for that. You have to have a proper plan for that. Only when you have a plan, it will happen. Otherwise, it will just be a dream. It will just be a dream. If you say, I want to become a doctor, and you're not doing anything, it will always be a dream. If you say, I want to do painting, and if you're not even doing it at home, then it will just be a dream. If it has to become a goal, you have to start working on that. What you will do? You will
Start working.
start working on that. Okay? Yes? Clear? Can now, can you tell me, each one of you, can you tell me what is your goal and what is your plan? Whom will we start with? Shall we start with Ryan, the big boy? Ryan? Yes,
My
Ryan.
goal is
What is your goal?
to learn football, and my plan is for become a good person, help
Okay, so
each other.
to become a good football player, what is your plan? You have to learn football, no? That is your goal. What is the plan
Yes.
for you to achieve that? What are you going to do daily from today?
Coach myself.
You're going to coach yourself. How you will coach yourself?
By I should find my time for playing
Ah,
football.
you will find a time for playing football. You will watch football matches. You will go and play football, and you will learn from others. Right? So, the
Yes.
goal is becoming a football player. The second is you will plan how to do it. And the third is you will start it immediately. Clear? So, that is your
Yes.
GPS. So, now let's ask Razan. Razan, what is your goal?
To improve painting.
To improve painting. So, what is your plan, Razan? How are you going to improve that?
Paint every day 10 to 15 minutes.
Wonderful. Paint every day 10 to 15 minutes. So have you started that? Will you start it immediately?
Yes.
Very good. So Razan has a plan, a goal, a plan, and he is ready to start. Wonderful, Razan. How about Ritfan?
To study.
To study. To study what? To study what?
Science. Science.
Science. Science you want to study. You want to score good marks in science.
Yes.
Okay, what is your plan for that? What will you do daily then?
Start to study.
Daily study. How many minutes? How many minutes you will study?
1 to 50 minutes.
1 to 15 minutes. Okay. So 15 minutes daily you will study after coming back from school, and then you will become very good in science and you can score good marks. But you have to start doing it. Okay? You have to start doing it. How about Butaina? Butaina, what is your goal? You're on mute. Okay, we'll move on to Manha. Manha,
My goal is to be a doctor.
your goal is to be a doctor. That is a big goal. What is the short term goal? For this 2 months, what is your goal?
To study drawing.
To study drawing. So, what is your plan? How are you going to study?
To practice every day.
To practice every day. Where will you see and practice? You will see YouTube videos, or you will see some books and you will draw. What are you going to do?
To see YouTube videos.
To see YouTube videos and draw. So, what is Manha going to do? She's going to start doing it from now, right? So Mana is going to start doing it from now. So who else is there? Renzia, are you here? Omar, are you here? Nafla?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Omar, tell me, what is your goal?
To
Yes? What do you want to do? You're not audible. Okay, fine. No problem. Butaina, are you ready? Tell me. You're on mute. Can you unmute? What do you want to do? What is your goal? Yes? Okay, you can think and tell it to your mom later. Okay, so my dear children, I just want to tell you this one simple thing today. First of all, this in-depth camp that you are a part of, every day you're going to spend 1 hour here, and something or the other you will learn something. Okay, you will learn something new. So whatever you learn, you share it with your cousins, you share it with your friends, so they will also be very happy to know about the new knowledge you have got. So you're going to have a lots of classes in the upcoming days, right? So all these classes, once it is over, take a notebook and write it down what you have learned. So today what you have learned? Today what did I teach you? I gave you a magic formula. What is that? GP. Yes. What is G? G for
goal.
goal. P for
Plan.
plan, and S for
Start.
start. So you are going to take a notebook and write. Today I learned about GPS. If I want to be successful, I will have a goal, I will plan, and I will start doing immediately. Okay? So this you have to go and tell your parents also, so that they will know that you're not sitting simply in front of the laptop or mobile. You are learning something. Okay, So I want you all to set goals in your life and achieve goals in your life. Will you do that? Will you do that?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Will you? Okay. So I will tell you something. Will you all repeat after me?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, please turn on your audio. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and repeat after me. Okay? Tell. Okay? Yes. So 3, 2, 1. Repeat after me. I am smart.
I
I am
smart.
smart.
I have a goal.
I
I have a goal.
I have a plan.
I have a plan.
I will start today.
I
I
will
will
start today.
I will never give up.
I will
I will
never
never give up.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So give yourself a big round of applause. Very good, very good, very good. Everybody can clap for yourself for setting that small goal today. Okay? You have really set a beautiful goal for you. So set this goal in life, and I want you all to achieve great heights. Best wishes to all of you. Okay? Yes? Yes? So
Yes.
you're going to have a goal, you're going to have a plan, and you're going to start doing immediately. Okay? Shall we play a game? Shall we play a game?
Yes.
Okay. Can you keep your hands like this? Can you close your hands like this? Yes? Closed? Okay. Now just see which finger is in the top. Is it your right hand thumb finger or left hand thumb finger? Right hand thumb finger or left hand thumb finger? Which is on the top? Left hand. Okay. Okay. Now what you can do is just try to change it. If the right hand finger is up, change it to left hand. If the left hand finger is up, change it to right hand. Do you find it difficult? Do you find it
No.
difficult?
No.
Not difficult. Little difficult. Easy. Comfortable.
Yeah.
Comfortable? Okay. So
Yes.
you always, when you close your hands, your the right thumb is up, and now when you keep the left thumb up, it will look different for some time. But when you practice it, it will become easy. So like this in life, whatever you want to learn, first time when you're doing, you will make mistakes. You will find little tough, but later it will become very easy. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Clear? So I hope you all will set your goal and you all will achieve your goal and become great players, great artists, great entrepreneurs and doctors in future. Okay? So all the best to all of you. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Naufal sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, students, any questions if you have doubts about the session? Any doubts?
No.
No?
Did you like the session or did you feel the session boring? You can tell. Did you learn something today? Nafla, did you like the session or not? What did you learn today?
I learned for doing of things.
Okay, okay. Razan, what did you learn today? Did you like the session?
Yes, I learned GPS.
Very good. Manha?
I like this lesson. I learned about GPS.
Very good, very good. Rayan?
It is very important to score a goal.
Very good, very good, very good. Thank you, Rayan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, others, someone who's here online, I couldn't see you all.
भवति यत् संवत्सरस्यायतनं वेद आयतनवान् भवति
Over to you, Razia ma'am.
Nakshatra.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that truly enriching and empowering session. Your words have not only inspired our learners, but have also helped them reflect on the importance of communication, confidence, and personal growth skills that are essential in every walk of life, including AI and beyond. To all our enthusiastic participants, thank you for joining us and being such a wonderful audience. We look forward to seeing you in the next exciting session for the in-depth AI Summer Smart Camp. Until then, stay curious, keep learning, and keep growing. Have a great evening. Thank you. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.